Make a great choice today with the 2016 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-owned Vehicle program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.